First thing we do, we come in, we actually have to really just do a damage assessment. What do we have? What's it going to take? They've got to kind of clean up the area where they're at. So a lot of times poles we're actually leaning over. So we've got 150 poles with all the damage we've got from the tornado. It's typically a 3-man crew when we've got this kind of damage. So it takes about 4 hours per pole. It kind of tells you why it's going to take us a couple days to get all this back on. So we start off, we've got to assess what we've got, pole size, material, all the equipment that goes on it. We then get locates called so that we know what's in the ground when we're digging. Once those locates are in place, we can get a crew out there with all the material that they need, the pole, the transformers, insulators, everything that they need. We dig the hole 6 or 7 feet deep. We take the boom, grab the pole, stick it in the hole, tamp it all back in nice and firm, and then start working on installing all the equipment that goes on it. This is our community, and when you see the damage that we have experienced here, and it's severe, it's significant, it's heart-wrenching, and it's home.